The purpose of this video is to describe the SDS2 import process in Raptor. There are three ways to get to the SDS2 import window. You can use the SDS2 icon on the toolbar right here, or under the File menu, you can go to Import and then SDS2, or finally, you can use the keystroke Control and 2. Once the window is open, the first thing you should do is select the files you want to import. You can click the Add Files button, navigate to the folder that contains the files you want to import. I don't happen to have any of these files, so we won't be importing them today. But the file extension, you'll notice these need to be XML files. Okay? These are not DSTV files, they're not NC1 files, typical files that would come from SDS2. There are different files that would have an XML extension. You simply select the files to be imported and click the Open button. Now we also need to make sure the options are set correctly. First, please note that there are different tabs for all the different profiles: angles, beams, channels, plates, tubes, and T-shapes. And make sure to set the options for each type of profile the way you need them to be. The tabs are all essentially the same with just a few differences. These settings are identical to what you would see in the DSTV import process. The settings would be the same. The settings that you see are the typical settings that I would use if I was importing these files. I would select Import, I would select importing all the features, I would orient the text, I would reference top left, and I would import the miters defined in the header. On angle, I would also import the bottom flange as top flange. All the other tabs are set exactly the same way. The part data, typically, I would have this set as the project number, the drawing identification as assembly, the part or phase as lot name, and the piece identification as part name. That is the normal order of those 4 bits of information. Once all of these options are set, you can go to Import and hit Go. Of course, since we don't have any files selected, we won't be able to import anything right now. But that is how the process works. For more information on the options, please refer to the DSTV Import instruction.